Candle makers are hiding this trick from you, the super infinite candle that never goes out. To get started, all you need is a glass container and some stones. Once the stones are in place, cover them with water. But here's an important detail. Don't fill the container to the brim. Leave a space about a finger's width at the top. This space will be reserved for the next ingredient, which is the real secret of this technique. Add cooking oil. This will be the fuel that will keep the flame burning for hours. And here comes the best part. You can use new oil or reuse leftover cooking oil to give it a special touch. Finally, add a few drops of essence to the oil. Choose the scent you like best: eucalyptus to refresh, lavender to relax, or citronella to keep insects away. Now we come to the central point of this incredible trick. This is where everything comes to life. For this, we'll need one of those simple disposable cups that you've probably already loved. Using a pair of scissors, cut off the bottom of the disposable cup. This piece will be the base of our wick that will turn this homemade lamp into a long-lasting light source. And make a small hole right in the center of the disc you've just cut. Use a piece of string or a strip of cotton fabric. Place it in the center of the glass container, making sure that the bottom tip touches the oil you added earlier. And there you have it. Our wonderful candle is ready. Just light it and there it is. You can place it anywhere in your home. Look how beautiful it looks, and what's more, it will help you in emergencies if you need a source of light, and even repel insects if you want. Rate this tip from 0 to 10 and tell me what city or state you're watching us from. I'd love to know so I can see how far my videos are reaching. I'll stop here. Hugs! And see you in the next video.